Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You sit, fasten your seatbelt, and adjust so your right foot rests comfortably above the pedals. With the handbrake engaged and the gear lever in neutral, press the clutch fully to the floor and start the engine. This prevents lurching. Once done, check the tachometer for a steady idle around 700 to 1000 RPM. Make sure the parking brake stays on until you're ready to move. These steps ensure you control engine power and the transmission before any rolling begins. With the clutch still depressed, shift into first gear and keep your eyes forward. Slowly raise the clutch until you feel the bite point. That is when the engine begins to pull the car. At that moment, gently roll your right foot onto the accelerator to about 500 RPM while continuing to lift the clutch smoothly. Avoid sudden drops. Once the car moves, fully release the handbrake and continue easing the clutch out. You accelerate progressively to prevent stalling and protect the clutch. As you approach a stop, lift off the gas and apply the brakes smoothly. When the speed falls low enough that the engine might stall, press the clutch fully to disengage the gearbox. This keeps the engine running. Come to a complete stop, shift into neutral, and set the handbrake before releasing the clutch. If the engine stalls, press the clutch, restart the engine, and repeat the slow bite point technique. This corrects timing errors and helps you regain control without.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.